Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue our exercise 1.3 from the chapter 1 integers. The seventh question, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. For correct answer 5 marks they are giving and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect. For incorrect answer they are giving minus 2. And 0 for questions not attempted. Is it clear? 5 marks for correct answer, minus 2 mark for incorrect and 0 for not attempted. Then 3 subdivisions they are asking. Now we will see. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect. So what is his score? Listen, Mohan gets 4 correct. So for 1 correct answer how many marks they are giving? 5 marks. So 4 correct answer, 5 into 4 equal to 20. Then for 1 wrong answer they are giving minus 2. Is it clear? Which means 1 chocolate is 5 rupees means what is the price of 5 chocolates? 5 into 5, 25. The same thing for correct answer. For 1 correct answer they are giving 5 marks. So 4 correct answer, 5 into 4, 20. So the next total mark awarded for 6 wrong answer. 1 wrong answer they are giving minus 2. So for 6 wrong answer, 6 into minus 2 will gives you minus 12. So total score means we have to add. So 20 means the correct answer plus minus 12 means the wrong answer. If we add these two things, what will get? 8. 8 is the total score. Next, Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answer. What is her score? For 1 correct answer, 5 marks. For 5 correct answer, 5 into 5 will gives you 25. For 1 wrong answer, they will award minus 2. Is it clear? For 1 correct answer, 5 marks they are giving. So Reshma got 5 correct answer. So 5 into 5, 25. For 1 wrong answer, they are deducting minus 2. So totally 5 wrong answer. So 5 into minus 2 will gives you minus 10. Now total score means what? We have to add the correct answer score and the wrong answer score. So 25 for correct answer plus for wrong answer minus 10. So 25 minus 10 will gives you 15. Is it clear? The next third subdivision we are going to see. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. Out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Right? So 1 mark will be given for each, for each 1 question 5 mark they will give. So 2 correct answer. So 2 into 5 will gives you 10. Is it clear? For 1 correct answer 5 marks they are giving. So for 2 correct answer, 2 into 5 will gives you 10. Total mark for 5 wrong answer. 1 wrong answer minus 2 they are giving. So total 5 wrong answer. So 5 into minus 2 will gives you minus 10. Right? Marks awarded for questions not attempted. For not attempted, 0 marks only. So total score, how much she scored? Total correct answer for 10 and the wrong answer score is minus 10. If we add, what we will get? 0. Next, 8th question. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bags of grey cement sold. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is the profit or loss they are asking? Right? Profit 8 rupees for selling white cement. Loss 5 rupees for grey cement. Correct? First subdivision. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement. White cement how many bags? 3000 and grey cement 5000. What is the profit or loss they are asking? Right? For 1 bag of white cement, how much profit they are getting? 8 rupees. For white cement, 1 bag, 8 rupees profit. So how many bags they are selling white cement? 3000. So 3000 into 8. 8 into 3, 24,000 profit they are getting. Next, loss on selling 1 bag of grey cement. Alright, grey cement rupees minus 5. So how many grey cement bags they are selling? 5,000 bags. So 5,000 into minus 5 will gives you 25,000. Is that clear? So total profit or loss means we have to add. So 24,000 plus minus 25,000. So what will you get? Minus 1,000, which means 1,000 rupees loss, because the answer we got in negative. Negative means loss. So thus 1,000 rupees loss. Next, replace the blank with an integer to make it as a true statement. It is very easy only. Listen, minus 3 into dash is equal to 27. Keep the dash as x. X is equal to 27. The multiplication 3 will come this side, division. So 27 by 3 equal to minus 9. Next, 5 into dash equal to minus 35. Keep the dash as x. 5 into x is equal to minus 35. We need the value of x. X is equal to minus 35. This 5 is in multiplication. It will go that side, division. So minus 7. Next, dash into minus 8 is equal to minus 58. Keep the dash as x. X into minus 8 equal to minus 56. So 8 equal to minus 56 by 8 is equal to 7.